take a look at some of my behind the scenes in my photo shoot.
And just hold it, and then you can shift it to her, and then shift it to me, and then shift it to the behind the scenes. So that way anybody that's watching can see like this is what was happening during the photo shoot.
All right, so from her to you.
Yeah, just however you want. Yeah, just the main thing is like you get shots of her, but also of me, and also of the background.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, and then let me know if you want to say. Okay, aquí con
So this will give you an idea of what a photo shoot might look like, as well as some poses and some different things too. And look at this incredible backdrop with Cartagena, Colombia. Hey guys, so I am here on the rooftop of Hagia Sofia in Cartagena, Colombia, and I'm doing a photo shoot with Maria Fernandez, our Mafe, and I found them on Airbnb Experiences, also with her sister Marlise, but we are shooting with Mafe and Maria today. And here is a look at all the behind the scenes and some photo shoot tips and different things. So take a look and comment down below any questions you have. There's Maria now, and Ryan, which is another guest on today's photo shoot as well. We've been helping each other with some behind the scenes as well.